So guys, this is Matt's new car collected. Matt PXG's just sold his purple GTR, and this is his new baby. He's wanted one for ages. He's been searching, he's finally found one. As you can probably tell from the interior, he's gone and bought himself an SVR. So straight into us to have spacers, X-pipe and a Ghost. Ghost is important on these. Like, these are proper hot. They're going missing all the time. So Ghost will enable him to kind of be at rest, the fact that they're not going to be able to steal it. If you don't know what Ghost is like an immobiliser. You need to put a code in using the existing buttons of the car. So you might be volume, heater controls, paddles, button on the end of the stalk. Once you've put your code in, a sequence of 4 to 16 presses, then it will allow the car to start and for it to be driven away. So yep, we're going to put a Ghost on it for security. We're going to put an X-pipe on it just because these sound so amazing once that's been done. And then finally we'll put a nice set of spacers just to bring the wheels out in line with the body. Just makes them look so much better. So yep, car collected. We will do a full video of everything being done to it, and then some before and afters. But yeah, looking forward to this. We're doing a lot of SVRs now. We are seeing quite a few of these come in. If you look back through previous videos, you'd have seen that we've done Producer SXs, Dr. Kicks, loads of SVRs. It's quite one of our popular upgrades. Just gives them the noise that they should have had. Not that it sounds bad anyway, but it makes it sound better. So stay tuned, guys, and yeah, looking forward to this one. Needs a bit more pop and crackles. That's what the X-pipe will do. Bring out that noise.
bit. Oh, nice little comfortable. Oh, that does make a great noise, that. Oh, filth.
It's amazing though what difference the X-Pipe makes.
It's that like overrun crackle on everything that it like I think just hides up before. Oh, it's that. It's just
Pop pop.
not even doing anything to it. Look at that. Yeah, the nutty Asbo version. Alright, let's go get some V power. Oh, shut up. Does it automatic default to go? What? Can't be having the exhaust closed all the time. Oh, there you go. God, it makes such a difference just by opening it with the rumble. Oh, yes. That is for a little, like, muddy SUV. Such a good noise. Won't blast it past these puppies just yet. It's just savage noise. Oh, just sounds so good on the gear changes. Oh, and the downshifts. Everything. Overrun. Yeah, madness. Amused for a bit. Oh, more of that! What's past it? It's that. It's when you lift off at like 3,500, 4,000. Yeah, that's the one.
So overall, your opinions on what we've done?
Savage.
There you go, savage.
Savage.
One word.
No,
savage.
the next thing is, what do we do next? If it's as
Message
this good,
Matt on his Instagram, which we'll put up in the description. Message him and tell him what he should do next to this car.
I need to know next
him know.
toys.